Hello, commenters. Here's just a little shout out by you guys. I had not very many viewers, and I don't really have any commenters because my videos are really new. But I really want you to follow me, subscribe me, put comments on me, and make sure you don't put bad comments, because then I won't like you and I won't want to make videos for you. And I want to make this video very special because if somebody subscribed me, a girl that subscribes me, or a boy, then I will draw a picture of them. If I can't really draw a picture of them, then I'll have to do the makeup. Bye, guys.